Hello and welcome. My name is Thomas Hartung, Project Manager at Solomon Technology Corporation. In the previous video I introduced the dual Solomon IoT box and explained the technical features and its benefits. The dual Solomon IoT box is shipped with an initial IP address and DHCP is turned off. To customize the settings for your environment, please follow the steps I'm going to introduce now. First, connect the KVM cable to the PS2 port in the top row of the IoT box. Second, connect only the green PS2 cable to your PS2 port on the computer. If a PS2 port on your computer is not available, use the green PS2 to USB adapter. Connect the Solomon IoT box with a network cable to your computer. The dual Solomon IoT box uses the initial IP address of 192.168.1.42. Due DHCP is turned off, change the Ethernet adapter properties on your computer to the following values in TCP/IP4. Open the network and Internet connections. Select Ethernet. Select Unidentified Network. Open the IP settings and change from automatic to manual. Turn on IPv4 and type any IP address starting with 192.168.1 and any number you like. The prefix length is 24. The gateway 192.168.1.1. Save. Return. Identifying. Close. Open your preferred browser and type in the address bar 192.168.1.42. This is the address what the Solomon IoT box is predefined. You will see the screen of Solomon. Select Download the compact Windows VNC viewer from the unit. Open it. And type the same address inside 192.168.1.42. Encryption, that's server choose, that's the default. Click OK. And you have this screen which shows no signal because I didn't connect the VGA cable. Top right corner, select Configure. The fourth unit is Network Configuration, and either enable here Use DHCP or type the address inside you would like to use in your environment.